If you've ever used Siri or Google Assistant, congratulations. You've already met AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to machines or computer systems that can think like humans. They can learn, solve problems, understand language, and even recognize patterns. AI is designed to make decisions, recognize patterns, and even learn from experience, just like humans. But instead of a brain, it uses algorithms and data. Think of AI as a smart assistant that can analyze tons of information, make decisions, and get better over time by learning from its mistakes. AI is all around us in simple, easy-to-use ways that don't require any technical knowledge. Voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant use AI to understand spoken language and do things like set reminders, play music, or tell you the weather forecast. Search engines like Google use AI to predict what you're looking for and show you the most relevant results. Social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram use AI to show you content you might be interested in. Translation tools like Google Translate use AI to instantly translate languages. You don't need a tech degree to use AI. Your smartphone, smart TV, and even your home appliances use AI to make life easier. Chatbots help with customer service, and apps organize your photos or correct your spelling. So next time you're amazed by your smart device, just remember, it's just AI making your life a little bit easier. Simple, right?